Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to get naturally glowing skin with just 3 simple ingredients. If you are tired of using makeup to achieve that perfect glow, then this video is for you. Let's get started. The first ingredient we are going to use is glycerin. Glycerin is a natural ingredient, which means it's attract moisture to your skin. This helps to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Take a 1 tablespoon glycerin in a bowl, and then second ingredient we are going to use is almond oil. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E, which help to nourish and protect your skin. Take tablespoon almond oil and mix it well. Then the third and final ingredient we are going to use is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and moisturizing properties, making it perfect for achieving that natural glow. Start by cutting a fresh aloe vera gel leaf or extract the gel. Then take 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel and mix it. So, are you ready to take the 14 days skincare challenge? Say goodbye to expensive product and hello to natural glowing skin. And that's it. 3 simple ingredients for naturally glowing skin, no makeup needed. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Transform your skincare routine with us. Till then, bye, take care guys, thank you.